We want to see conversion of centigram to gram. Conversion of centigram to gram. Before you go into this, you need to understand, you should know the bigger unit or the smaller unit out of these two. So the bigger unit here is gram, while the smaller unit is centigram. So let's see this explanation for proper understanding of this conversion. 100 centigram is 1 gram. You can see there 100 centigram is 1 gram. Then converting centigram to gram, divide the centigram by the units of number, which is 100. For milligram and centigram, the unit of their number is 10. When we come to centigram and gram, the unit of their number is 100. Let's see example. Now convert the following to gram. Convert the following to gram. You can see there 300 centigram. You want to convert it to gram. Now follow your process. You divide by 100. You can see there. So the answer gives 3 grams. 3 grams. I'm still coming to that. Let's pick this one quickly. Now 7,000 centigrams. We want to convert it to gram. Very simple. 7,000 divided by 100. So there you go. You have 70 grams. So let's come back to this place now. I want to tell you how we get this 3 grams, how to do it in another way. You can say 100 and 300, that is 3. Now, let's just see another style of it. You can see that you can, whenever you see 300, you divide by 100. You can also assume your point to be outside the 300. So put your point here, your pen there, shift to your left hand side by the number of these zeros. The zero, you have 2 zeros here. So you shift it 2 times to the left hand side, then you assume your point to be here. So you do away with these 2 zeros, then what you have left is 3 grams. Let's say this one. You can see this is 7,000 grams. So let's see how far we go. You can see that too. You are dividing by 100. So you shift, assume your point to be here because there's no point in within this number. So you assume your point is out here. So shift that point 2 times. 1, 2. Then you have your answer. Here you have another question. 345 centigram. 345 centigram. We want to change it to grams. You can see there, you first of all split it. 345. You can express it in this form. 300 grams, 45 centigrams. You can express it like this too. You're correct. But you can also do it this way by inserting your point. Don't forget that. You can see the answer. You have 345 divided by 100. Then you have 3.45. How do we get that? This is the explanation. Now, this 345 has no point in within it. So you assume your point to be out here. You can see your point to be here. So what do? You shift here. You shift from your right to the left. Why? Because you want to express it in decimal. So, and you are dividing by 100 as well. So you shift it 2 times. 1, 2. So you assume your point to be here. Instead of the point here, we have 3.45. Let's see another question quickly. Now converting gram to centigram. This is all the way around. We're converting grams to centigram. So what do we see? To convert gram to centigram, multiply the gram by the unit of number, which is 100. I told you need to know the basic thing about conversion. Whenever you are changing smaller units to bigger units, you divide by the unit of their number. Whenever you're changing the bigger unit to smaller unit, you multiply by the 100. In this case, you're multiplying because you're changing grams to centigrams, and the unit of their number is 100. Let's see example. Convert the following to centigram. Convert the following to centigram. You can see there 87 grams. So convert it to centigrams. 87, and that gives us 87 multiplied by 100. And you're going to see your answer. Okay, that's good. Can you see there? Our answer now is 8,700 centigram. 8,700 centigram. This is another one. 90 grams. 90 grams. We're converting it to centigrams. So let's see there. The same vein. 90 multiplied by 100. the same thing you have. Then you're going to get 9,000 centigrams. That's good. 9,000 centigrams. So simple. Just understand the basic of it. Okay, let's say the one for decimal. Here we go. We have 4.67 grams. 4.67 grams. You want to convert it to centigrams. So simple. Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. That's all what you have. Then you're going to get 467 centigram. 467 centigram. This is explanation. 4.67 gram. We want to change it to 400 and we want to change it to centigrams rather. So what do? Can you see there? You shift the point from the left to the right by the number of the zeros, which is 100. You shift the point from the left to the right. Okay, you can see it how many times? 1, 2. Now you assume your point to be here. The point is no longer the middle of this number. That is why you're not seeing the point here. So the point is somewhere here. That is it. So your answer now is 467 centigram. Thank you.